Beautiful, powerful. And Kopi Matata with my band.
Oh my God, his voice. Come on, man.
Halo Sobat Zom, ya kali ini kita akan mengoprek-ngoprek perjalanan CakraKhan yang sampai saat ini masih menjadi trending. Dan kali ini kita akan melihat betapa dahsyatnya suara khas yang dimiliki oleh Bang Cakra saat mengcover lagu Goo Goo Dolls Iris yang direaksi oleh banyak orang di dunia. Tanpa panjang lebar kali tinggi, kita simak berikut ini. Ya.
I haven't heard this song for ages, man. It's been a while since I've heard this song.
Leave a link. Hopefully I'll pick yours up and down the road. We're going to check it out like we are right here, right now, today, as I visit Indonesia, as I do most days of the week, being my #1 top community in my channel. I love making videos from outstanding music from Indonesia and the surrounding areas, as we, again, today are checking out CakraKhan. Gotten a lot of requests for this tune in the last few days. And it's Iris from Goo Goo Dolls. I believe I really dig this tune. I may not have heard it in 15 years or so, but I know a couple of the Goo Goo Dolls tunes, and I believe Iris is one of them. So I am really looking forward to hearing this today. I got to know this gentleman, Chakra, a couple months ago. An incredible vocalist, power, emotion, desire. Depth of vocals incredible, and just a wonderful personality of a gentleman from Indonesia as we check out his version of Iris from Goo Goo Dolls. It does say orchestra cover version, so really looking forward to that. Let's see what we got.
And I give up forever to touch you.
Wow, yeah.
I know that
Love the song, man.
somehow.
Now, is it me? Or does that sound better than the original? Oh my God, his voice. Come on, man.
You know, I saw this come across my feed the other day, man. I'm like, yeah, I got to get on that. I love that tune. I think that's the tune I love from these guys, and I'm dying to hear this gentleman sing it. Let's go.
You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't want to go home right now. And all I can taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your life. And sooner or later it's over. I just don't wanna miss you tonight. And I don't want to hurt to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's meant to be broken, I just want you to know who I am.
Beautiful, powerful.
I wonder if he's done any Joe Cocker. I would love to see him do some Joe Cocker. I reckon that would be amazing.
And Kopi Matata with my band.
And you can't fight the tears that ain't coming, or the moment of truth in your eyes, when everything seems like a movie. Yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. And I don't want to hurt to see me, 'cause
You know, every time I hear this guy, I got to back that up, hear that again. Every time I hear him, man, I get goosebumps. My legs are all pimply. I get goosebumps. I feel the good vibes, man, the energy, the power. Just incredible emotion. It's oh, I love this guy. Let's go.
And I don't want to hurt to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's meant to be broken, I just want you to know who I am.
Make some smoothness now, beautifulness. Okay, I gotta take another pause. I'm just worried about copyright. Copyright's digging me hard lately. I'm gonna back that up so we'll flow back into that. Get that. I think a nice softness part coming up after that power chord. Let's go.
And I don't want to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's meant to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am.
What a great way to start my Wednesday with some CakraKhan, some Iris Goo Goo Doll cover. Outstanding, outstanding performance, my friend. Wonderfully done. Covered impeccably, displaying your power of vocal, your strength of vocal, consistency, your calmness, your smoothness, your bringing it down a little bit. Really super. Stay happy, healthy, and until I see you all again soon, which will be tomorrow. Stay safe. Have a great day. Peace out.
Man, I am in love with his sound. I tell you what, that tone that he gets in his voice. I know we've mentioned, that gruffness that he has. When he started out, man, that sounded so good. So good, and that continued out throughout the whole song. I'd love to see him do some Joe Cocker. I reckon A Little Help from My Friends would be an amazing song for him to sing. We're definitely going to do some more. I love his voice. So let me know, guys. Thank you very much for joining me. Remember, if you did enjoy that, make sure you give it a thumbs up.
Bagaimana pendapat Anda? Ayo mainkan jari Anda di kolom komentar. Iya.